Talofa wa may oile neaso. Yeah, here is a video of a review that no one asked for of these Samoan Peach Pie. So I ordered these pies off Facebook. This is my second time ordering it. The first time I was not able to make a video because they were gone by the time I did. But I had to. So when we got these pies, we were eating it with a fork and spoon because we thought it couldn't come out of the container. But then yesterday, I seen my son. He was walking in the room holding the pie. And I was like, how did you get it up? So I figured it out. He just turned it over. You press the bottom and it pops out. So I had to do a video because, man, these pies are so bomb. Mini peach pie. The crust is 10 out of 10. It is not too thick, not too hard, just perfect. And it's not too sweet. It is just perfect. So this is my review. If you ever see it on Facebook, I think she only does like special holidays and stuff, but thank God I was able to catch her New Year's order. But here it is. Bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. So I think it's under Eric. Sa'au something. If I ever find it, I will share it so you guys can order too. But here, I think I ordered like 50 and gave away like 20 and kept the rest for me and my family. But it is good. Next time, order yours. Okay? Manuia Leafiafi, Fasefua. God bless. See you later.